Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 7 trades in the room, of the 7 trades in the room, and I'm going to go through them from left to right. Just in no particular time order. First trade we had was in crude, and the time was 9:24 Central, or I'm sorry, 9:27 Central Standard Time. We were short between 80 and 84, anywhere between 80 and 84. Market went down and made 20 plus ticks. 20 plus ticks on that trade. That was a nice little trade, straight down, quick profits. And I said that eventually it was going to get down much further, probably to flat, and it did right before the end of the day. But after the pit closed, the crude pit closed, but obviously we're not sitting in the trade that long because we're we're just trading during the day, in the morning specifically. So made 20 at that time period. Then in the ES, we got 52, 26.52 right here. Trade made about 2.5 points. I told everybody that it had to get, once it got above the 52, it had to stay above the 52. So we locked in profits, and then it would have been a break even on the runners at entry, or if you gave it room, it could have been a total break even on the trade. So 2.5 points on the trade, or a total break even. Market came down. We got long. It was 9:09 Central Standard Time, 9:09 Central Standard Time. Told everybody that this thing may just bounce up for 2, 3, 4 points. We got long around 41 right here. Now you'll see this red candle. This red candle was bouncing all the way up here. It went all the way up to 45. Came down, stayed around here, and then eventually it went down. So and we talked about this trade before it even happened. We got a long trade made up to about 4 points, and then again, I said they were either going to follow through, because we were looking for this move here, right here. We were looking for this move. They just weren't ready to do it yet. They had to go down and test some lower levels. So I said at the very least we should be able to get a decent profit, and then see if we get any follow through. So 3, 4 points, 5 points up, went to entry, and again that was it on that trade. Market came back down. We got an RS trade short. That was on the 9:30 candle, 26.28 quarter. And again, that trade made up to 5 points, 5 plus points down. I said they were going to retest and try to get negative. If they could not take the market negative, they were probably going to go all the way up. However, we did know there was going to be a little bit of a discussion in here. So it did make up to 5 points. Again, entry on any runners up to 5 points, taking profits along the way. And again, no follow through after 5 points, 5, 6 points. Market came back up. We went sideways as we expected. We finally got long on the 1042 candle, 2642 quarter, and we were looking for up to the 50 area. It actually went much higher, but by the time the room closed, we did get to that 50, 51, 52 area there, and that was a beautiful trade there. And then in the NQ, we took a couple trades in the NQ. We got long on this candle right here as it was going up 64.80. Trade made up to 8 points, 30 plus ticks, and I told everybody, because this S&P here, remember I said we were going to have some chop right in here. I told everybody that until this thing started going up, we may have a little bit of a hassle. So, we got up to 30 ticks, and it just didn't follow through. After 20, 30 ticks, obviously we're going to break even. We're going to entry on our any remaining runners. So basically we can't lose on any additional runners. We could only break even on them and profit on where we locked in. And after this kind of cleared up and the market started going up, I also offered a long here, and that was at 65.02 right up here. And again, you'll see that it went up to about 10 points or about 40 ticks. Anybody that could ride out the retracement here. Obviously would have been able to make a lot more, but say up to 40 for most, and those who could ride it out, you got up to 25, 30, which would have been about 100 ticks from where we got in. But again, 30 to 40 for most. And that was another great trade. And then there was a gold trade here, which we did not take because we were in this first ES. That trade actually worked for 50 plus ticks all the way up. But again, we are only in one trade at a time with full risk, and I opted to call it in the ES. So just a great day today. Again, typically we have a solid day, but again, we have up to 7 winners. And we are going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. Everybody have a great day. Check out our 25-hour free trial over 10 trading days. There's no credit card required, and we will see everybody back tomorrow. Bye, traders.